Good morning, it's Thursday, November the 29th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a fast-paced daily, edgy show bringing you the best press releases before the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, today I've got 4 great press releases for you, 3 from the resource sector and 1 off the US OTCBB. We're going to get started with the resource sector. We've got some great results from these companies, and these are companies you're going to want to follow up on and do a little bit more due diligence on. First company I have for you is SilverCrest Mines, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol SVL. They had some pretty impressive results. They had intercepts of 33 meters of 367 grams per ton of silver and silver equivalent at Santa Elena. It's a phase 2 drill program at their Santa Elena project, which is located in northern Mexico. 2 great things about this project is that it's easily accessible with excellent local infrastructure, and the company also has the right to acquire a 100% interest in this property. So 2 great things to keep in mind. I've got a quote from the CEO and President, Scott Drever, which states, "The main zone has now been confirmed by drilling over a strike length of approximately 800 meters and our current resource of 56.3 million ounces of silver and silver equivalent," so that's a big number. 56.3 million ounces of silver and silver equivalent falls within the strike length, so good resource there. SilverCrest Mines is a silver-focused exploration development company with a portfolio of high-grade silver deposits and exploration properties located in Mexico and El Salvador. They're last at $1.20 and they're off their 52-week high of $1.60. Second company I have for you is Canaco Resources, which trades under the on the TSX Venture under the symbol CAN. Once again, we have some good results from them. It's a joint venture with Candante and Canaco, and they've intersected 34 meters of 45 grams per ton of silver at their El Oro project in Mexico. These are final drilling results from Phase 1 diamond drilling program at the El Oro Gold-Silver Project, which is located in central Mexico, as I just mentioned. Got a quote from Mike Castleman, the director of Candante, which says, "The intersection of silver mineralization over significant widths of the Verde vein is encouraging and warrants additional deeper exploration." So these are preliminary results, but good indication that they're going to be doing further drill programs on this property. They're last at 20 cents and they're off their 52-week high of 75 cents. Next resource company I have for you is called Explorator Resources, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol EXO. Very significant results here. They've extended their mineralization to the south of their El Espino Venice project, and some good numbers here. Over 81 meters, they've hit 1.7% copper and 0.26% grams per ton of gold, and within that it includes 37 meters of 3% copper and 0.45 grams per ton of gold, and within that it includes 10 meters of 5.26% copper and 0.9 grams per ton of gold, so very significant numbers. They have intersected significant copper-gold mineralization 150 meters beyond the most southerly boundary of previously identified mineralization on the El Espino Venice project in Chile. So this is good news. It's a new zone and it's a potentially new find for them. Explorator Resources is a Canadian-based mining company which focuses on building a strong position of copper-gold projects in South America. They're last at 92 cents and they're off their 52-week high of $1.40. The last one I have for you is from the U.S. off the OTCBB called DGLY. They trade under the symbol DGLY. Big news from them. They received a $5.1 million international order for their DVM 500 in-car video system. Now, this is their largest order in the company's history, and from what we see here, it assures that their Q4 is going to be a record quarter in 2007. Now, DGLY develops, manufactures, and markets advanced video surveillance products for law enforcement, homeland security, and commercial security applications. From what I can see here, the order for the DVM 500 in-car digital video system, what it is, it's integrated into the rear view mirrors of the vehicles that we had mentioned for security vehicles, and it's used for security purposes. In addition, DGLY has applied for a NASDAQ listing November 15th to increase their presence to potential shareholders and increase liquidity. They're last at $5.70, or sorry, that's their 52-week high is $5.70, and they're currently at $4.97. And that's a wrap for AGORACOM TV. I'm Paul Candacos, and remember, do your due diligence on all these companies before you buy them or look further into them. And just like with all your investments, make sure you always do your due diligence first. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.